Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Hands Homeschooling YouTube channel. Our today's video is about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is also known as Eco Day, Environment Day, WED, World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. So, when did it start? First World Environment Day held in 1974. It has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, and wildlife crime. Each year, the program has provided a theme. The theme for 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration and will be hosted by Pakistan. Do you know what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is made up of all the living and non-living things in an area. This includes all animals, plants, and other living things, and water, soil, rocks, and sand in non-living things. Ecosystem can be a puddle, marine life, a rainforest, or a desert. Like all other living beings, humans are dependent on natural ecosystem services to survive. We need it to get the food we eat, the water we drink, and to transform raw materials into our everyday products. So in order to keep our living conditions, it's truly important that we preserve our natural ecosystem. After knowing ecosystem, now the question is, what is ecosystem restoration according to the theme for 2021? It is the practice of renewing, restoring, and degraded, damaged, or destroyed ecosystems and habitats in the environment by active human intervention and action. Human activities are having a negative impact on ecosystems like deforestation, air pollution, marine pollution. Like in this picture, you can see that human activities like deforestation, industrial agriculture, and overgrazing, they have negative impacts on ecosystem, like loss of biodiversity, climate change from soil carbon, and loss of livelihood. For that case, ecosystem restoration is erosion control, soil restoration, replanting. And that would lead to intact ecosystems, sustainable livelihoods, and revert climate change. So do you understand now what is ecosystem restoration according to the theme for 2021 for World Environment Day? Yes, it is zero waste and clean home, so that we can save our Mother Earth. We need to plant more trees, and we need to keep our environment safe from all kinds of pollution, that is industrial pollution, air pollution, marine pollution. Keep your homeland clean. Let us promise on World Environment Day to protect your mother who nourished. Happy World Environment Day. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and touch the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.